Hey, so if you have a Cybertruck and if you've ever taken it off-road, heck, even on-road, you are familiar with the problems of having tree limbs and brushes hitting the side of your Cybertruck. Now, if you've had it for any length of time, you know that the trim pieces on the Cybertruck, particularly the plastic trim pieces, they are very soft and prone to a lot of scratching. This is a major problem with this vehicle, and over time, it's going to get scratched up. You know, you've seen me put an armor pack on here just to kind of prevent some of the scratching and all the other things on the bottom of the vehicle. Well, from our friends over here at Tesstudio, we have a nice cover for our mirrors because these things stick out, and if you're going down any type of a trail, if you're off-roading or, well, driving through the neighborhood, and there's a tree limb sticking out, it hits this mirror, it's probably going to get scratched. What we have here are mirror covers, carbon fiber, that actually sticks on the top of your existing mirror. They look great, but more importantly, they protect your mirror housing underneath. So I really like these things, and I think it's an essential part of owning a Cybertruck to have this installed on your vehicle. Take a look at the description below to see how you can get a great 20% discount on this particular product, other Tesla accessories. By the way, don't forget to hype us up. If you like this type of video, hype us up, make a comment below. Let us know if this type of content is working for you and you like these types of installs. Just let us know what you think, folks. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you back in just a moment. Okay, so you're going to want to put the mirror cover on, but before we do, we absolutely want to clean the mirror first such that we can get a nice clean surface for us to have the 3M tape stick to. In order to do that, I'm going to use this spray weight glass cleaner and go ahead and clean up the mirror housing just to get started. All right. I'm going to clean that up first. So you want to get it nice and clean because if you don't, it's going to have dirt on there and your tape will not stick nearly as well. So you want to clean it up first, get that done, and now we have a clean mirror housing. All right, use the adhesion promoter that comes in the package, and then you'll be able to peel off this 3M tape and go ahead and stick it to the mirror. Okay, so you want to cover the mirror with the mirror cover. Now you got 3M tape off. You just slide it on top, and be careful with the tape, and it's going to slide right down into place. Boom. Our tape is located along here and along the edges. So you just want to press in on those just to make firm connection, just like that. And just like that, you have the mirror cover installed. So there it is. It was actually a really quick, very easy install. I'd say it only took us about maybe 10 minutes to get this completely installed on both sides. You just do the same thing on both mirrors. Very simple to do. And like I said, it looks great and it protects the mirrors from scratches and things of that nature. Don't forget to look in the description below to see how you can get a 20% discount on this particular product, other Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe, and as I said, hype us up if you like what you're seeing. Comment below whether or not you like this particular product and what other products you'd like to see, and we'll talk to you again soon. Peace.